Hello, welcome to Dax Quality System. Actually, this is the machine that is double disc auto polisher. This is fully automatic polishing machine. It is having two disc. This is for polishing papers. This is for polishing clothes. This is the automatic head. And it is the head which can fold up to 3 samples. It is available in different mold dias. Right now it's 30 mm. You can have a this mold of 40 mm also, and you can have a dual mold also of 30 and 40 mm simultaneously. Here it is on and off switch, and it is an emergency switch off. You can emergency stop. You can stop this machine whenever you wish that you have to stop it on emergency basis. This is it's showing RPM. It's a variable RPM. You can adjust RPM accordingly your requirements. This is the button to on and off this machine. This is your automatic head, and this is an actually an box to keep that alumina paste or other polishing mediums. So you can always pour those suspension here. It will automatically come here on your polishing cloth. Now this is the head. It's coming down. You can start this from this button. Now see, the disc is rotating like that. You can vary the RPM, and actually this is machine which is having a dual mode. You can rotate this machine clockwise as well as anti-clockwise direction. See, now I am pressing this button. See, this disc will stop, and now it start rotating in another direction. This machine is having dual mode. Even the head can also move in clockwise direction as well as in anti-clockwise direction. This is the mode. Now it's moving. Now if you want to change the movement, so if you want to move it in anti-clock direction, just rotate it. See, so both the disc and head, they can move in clockwise direction as well as in anti-clock direction. This is the best automatic polishing machine we can have in very reasonable prices. These are having two tabs for coolants. This is the machine. See, now we are moving this head. So you can move this head on both discs. See, it is having great finish, great body, great polishing machine. So do contact us for any further query. Thank you.